Hello everyone, my name is John and today I will tell you how to configure conditional logic if-else. This is necessary to automatically set different data transfer scenarios. For example, let's say you have an integration set up to transfer new rows from Google Sheets to Gmail. You will receive data on new rows, and based on this data, you send an email through your Gmail account with each new order. But if you need to set up different data sending scenarios, you can use conditional logic if-else. Selecting an action. If. That is, this is an event at which the logic will be triggered. At this stage, you need to configure the conditions. Please note that in the ApiX-Drive system, logic settings are available, depending on the result of the data destination, in this case Gmail. Accordingly, the variable is in the drop-down list. These are the data destination fields of Gmail and there is the execution result field. By selecting this field and selecting the equals function, you can select the conditions successfully. That is, if the execution of the Gmail data sync is unsuccessful, then execute the additional condition. For example, if an error occurred when sending an email and the client specified the wrong result. After setting up the condition, add a data destination that will be executed. In this case, I want to try again sending an email from a different Gmail account. In the first Gmail data destination I have this account selected. Now I select another account. Or I connect a new one. According to this setting, with each new row in Google Sheets, the data will be sent to email via your Gmail account. But if an error occurs when sending data, for example, the client indicated an incorrect email, then conditional logic if-else will work, which will try to send an email to the client through another Gmail account. At the same time, you can add one more condition to the result of executing this data destination. To do this, add another conditional logic if-else. Selecting the result of executing the second Gmail data destination. This is the first Gmail data destination. And this is the second Gmail data destination. Select the execution result variable from this receiver. Also select the value unsuccessfully. If sending an email in the data destination is again unsuccessful, then perform an additional action. And this time we will send data, for example, to your Slack. As a result of this setting, with each new row from Google Sheets, an email will be sent through your Gmail account 1. If the sending is unsuccessful, then conditional logic if else will work and the sending will be through the Gmail account 2. If sending via Gmail account 2 is unsuccessful, then the second if else logic will trigger and the data will be transferred to your Slack account. At the same time, you can add additional filters in the if else logic settings. For example, if the order amount is more than $1,000, then send a different message text or send through another Gmail account or add the customer's email to an additional mailing list. You can also select an update interval, for example once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.